Hello, class. I am again here. We are going to start a new week and we are going to start with English. This video is for 2 days, okay? It is for Monday and Tuesday, okay? It's for Monday and Tuesday for 2 days. All right, so now we are going to move to our book, and here we have Finn and Jasmine. Here we have what we saw last day in the video last day. Here we have some sentences with there's some, there isn't any, and other complements, okay? There's some water over there, there isn't any cheese on the table, and you can make a lot of combinations. So we have already done this, okay? And you watched a video too. So now we are going to move to activity 2. It says, look at the picture. You don't need to cover. Dice aquí que lo tapéis para escuchar y decirlo si es verdadero o falso. Look at the picture and just say true or false, okay? So let's go to the listening activity.
Listening 2.46. Listen and say true or false.
There's some juice on the table.
True or false?
There isn't any milk on the rug.
True or false?
There's some chocolate on the rug.
True or false?
There isn't any bread on the table.
True or false?
All right, so here we have a table on the grass, and here we have a rag on the grass. So pay attention and write down the sentences you listen. Write in your notebook the sentences you listen, and then write if they are true or false. Lo que tenéis que hacer es volverlo a poner las veces que necesitéis, y vais a poner la oración que escuchéis y al lado true or false, verdadero o falso. Como lo podéis escuchar un montón de veces, y ya sabéis, siempre vais a tener que poner al principio there's some o there isn't any y un alimento de los que están aquí, ¿vale? Y recordad, on the table or on the rag. Rag, R-U-G. We are not going to do activity 3 because you have to cover the picture and play the game, but as we are not in class, we are at home, we are not going to do activity 3. We're going to move to activity 4. Write true or false, and then write 4 true or false sentences for your partner. It's not necessary for your partner, so you have to write true or false after these sentences, and then you have to add 4 more. Tenéis que, además de poner aquí si son verdaderas o falsas, tenéis que añadir otras 4 que describan lo que hay en este picnic, ¿vale? O bien de las que hayáis escuchado, o bien otras que no hayáis escuchado y que vosotros queráis hacer, ¿vale? En singular, porque recordad que todo lo que hay aquí es singular. Cheese, juice, bread, water, milk, chocolate, more bread, juice, more chocolate, more milk, more cheese, more water, pero todos son incontables, ¿vale? Entonces lo que tenéis que decir, tenéis que hacer oraciones con there is some o there isn't any. Podéis describir lo que hay on the rug, lo que hay on the grass y lo que hay on the table. Yo creo que está claro, ¿vale? Okay, now we are going to move to the activity book. Here we have a father with his kid, and they are having a picnic in the park. So we are going to read the title of the activity. What have they got? Listen and tick. Okay, then listen again and circle A or B. So listen and tick. Ready, steady, go.
Listening 2.48. Listen and tick.
Let's play football.
No, I'm hungry. I want to have lunch.
Okay. Have you got the picnic bags?
Yes, they're here, next to the car.
I'm putting the rug under the tree. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. And here's the chair. Can I sit on the chair, Dad?
No, you can't. That's my chair. You can sit on the rug.
Okay. Are the sandwiches in the red bag?
No, they're in the blue bag.
Are there any cheese sandwiches?
No, but we've got tuna sandwiches. Here you are.
Oh, good. I like tuna. Thanks.
Do you want a tomato?
Yes, please. What else have we got? Is there any chocolate?
No, there isn't any chocolate. Sorry. But there are some strawberries.
Great. I love strawberries.
And there's some juice. Do you want some juice?
No, thanks. Can I have some water?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'm thirsty.
All right, so here we have countable and uncountable nouns, as you can see. So pay attention, read very carefully the sentences, the beginnings, okay? Los comienzos, every beginning, and then choose A or B. The man doesn't want to play football or have lunch. You have to choose. You can listen to it again, and you have to circle A or B, the correct one. Perfect. We are not going to do activity 2 because this is a speaking activity, and we may do it in class when we go back. All right? Esta ya la haremos en clase cuando volvamos, porque es una actividad de speaking. And then you have to invent a picnic. Maybe you can draw it in your notebook, and then you have to write 6 sentences. Invent a picnic. Draw a picnic table or a picnic rag on the grass. Invent your picnic and write 6 sentences. All right? So let me see. You have to do this activity, you have to do this activity, and you have to do these activities here. So you have today's. Remember, these activities are for, let me see again, for Monday and Tuesday. So don't send it to me on Monday. Send it to me on Tuesday. ¿Vale? No me lo mandéis el lunes, sino el martes, cuando ya lo hayáis hecho todo, ¿vale? Os doy 2 días para hacer esta actividad. Yo creo que a partir de ahora, como os voy a mandar vídeo, no os voy a dar la tarea así día por día, sino que os voy a dar tarea a lo mejor para un par de días. Y os organizáis. ¿Que lo queréis hacer todo el primer día? Perfecto, pero no me lo mandéis el primer día, porque el primer día no voy a tener hecho el solucionario, ¿vale? Como siempre luego os mando the answers key, os mando las soluciones, entonces yo voy a tener hecho el solucionario para el último día que yo os haya permitido entregar la tarea, ¿vale? So this is all for today, and I'll send you another video for arts and crafts, and we'll do something very interesting. All right? So thank you very much for watching and listening. I love you, and I miss you a lot, okay? So take care, people. Bye-bye.